Hey there, it's BC Tesla guy. Just out of here at the new 12 station Tesla charger here in Coquitlam. It's just off of the Lougheed Highway. Anyway, they got a dollar store or Dollar Tree over here. They've got a Fatburgers right there, so that's a great thing. So you can do your charging. Around the corner. Let's go ahead, we'll just take a little walk over here and you can see it's not open right now due to the pandemic, but you know, once the charging station's open and everything's somewhat back to normal, we've got a Ricky's over there that's available for inside dining, and so you can go in there, have a coffee or breakfast while you're charging your car. Across the street, kitty corner or caddy corner, we've got a Canadian Tire. So here we go. This is a 12 station V3 station out in Coquitlam. Heavily needed out here. A lot of people are heading over to the Guildford charging station, so that place is always packed. So anyway, take a look at Ginger. Ginger's looking pretty good. Once again, just a quick one. This is a V3 Supercharger, 12 stations, and we've got a Fatburger over there, Dollar Tree, PetSmart, Mark's Warehouse, and around the corner we also have just over there you can see we've also got a McDonald. So lots of opportunities to do a little quick grub run and then charge your car. Anyway, that was a quick one there. I'll let you know when this place opens up.